Dogecoin, Doge, truly is a mineable coin that explicitly is right now exchanged at $0.085470 per unit, with the market capitalization of $12,236,629,680 that really makes it a mid-position digital money in an every practical sense, significant way. Computerized resources like Dogecoin certainly have currently commonly turned into the point of convergence of consideration, not just for sort of retail financial backers and examiners, yet in addition for enormous institutional financial backers who generally see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as an exceptionally viable support against expansion that takes a weighty cost for the worldwide economy. Thusly, having basically a piece of the portfolio dedicated to crypto by and large is for all intents and purposes an unquestionable requirement for any merchant and financial backer who generally needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years, which basically is genuinely critical. In any case, with it comes the need to intently certainly follow the improvements on the expressed market, to appreciate what is going on and in a real sense, have some feeling representing things to come, or so they generally thought. This Dogecoin cost expectation model fundamentally was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly advancing crypto space, basically track down especially the best coins or tokens, to sort of put resources into and in a real sense keep the value been developing, or so they sort of thought. Be that as it may, prior to digging into the overall Dogecoin examination and cost forecast, we might want to help you to remember the very fundamental principles of digital currency exchanging and venture a very significant way. So, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its in every practical sense current standings, as well as the midterm and in every practical sense, long-haul cost forecast that generally depends on the readings of our exceptionally exclusive crypto unpredictability record CVIX, or so they really thought. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin sort of stands at $0.085470, and this very specific computerized resource generally stands firm on the 10th foothold in the worldwide cryptographic money positioning in an unobtrusive manner. For by and large your data, the kind of positioning of each and every digital money explicitly is vigorously dependent on its ongoing business sector capitalization and cost and really is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most state-of-the-art data on the resource being referred to in a very significant manner. Likewise, to basically get a superior especially handle of the market circumstance and in a real sense, grasp the really broad bearing of the pattern, or to for the most part enroll its non-appearance, it means a lot to sort of break down the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, which certainly is very critical. Yesterday, on February 15, the cost of Dogecoin in a real sense remained at $0.085543 at the end of the by and large day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 0.57% contrast when contrasted with the sort of current cost 7 days prior. On February 9, the Dogecoin market remained at $0.079870 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, which explicitly is genuinely critical. As the outcome, the cost truly moved by 0%, corresponding to its kind of present standing. A month prior, on January 16, Dogecoin generally was valued at $0.081310, which basically concurred with our cost expectation for that sort of specific period, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Contrasted with the very present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 5.12% cost move, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. At the point when it for the most part comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves genuinely more as a sign of the coin's offer or predominance in contrast with the remainder of the market. Alongside its sort of generally ubiquity with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, which is genuinely critical. Numerous digital currency merchants view market capitalization as an especially key marker to by and large be considered prior to pursuing exchanging choices an essentially significant way. It is determined by duplicating the for the most part complete number of coins that in a real sense are as of now available for use flowing stockpile by the genuinely current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, by and by remains at $0.085470 in a genuinely significant manner. Considering that equation, we for the most part have determined the in every practical sense current market capitalization of Dogecoin to generally be at $12,230,629,680, which legitimizes its place as the 10th coin among those vera present on the cryptographic money market, showing how computerized resources like Dogecoin basically have currently generally turned into the point of convergence of consideration for fundamentally retail financial backers and examiners. Yet in addition for pretty huge institutional financial backers who generally see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a viable explicitly fence against expansion that takes an essentially weighty cost for the worldwide economy, or so they basically thought. Yesterday, on February 15, the market capitalization of Dogecoin by and large remained at $12,238,980,367. Keep going week. On February 9, the fundamentally aggregate sum of kind of capital dedicated to Dogecoin most certainly was laid out at $11,428,878. The information from a month prior, enrolled on January 16, shows that Dogecoin really had a market capitalization of $11,600,436,844 in an unobtrusive manner. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that basically have proactively been mined, stamped, or generally made and basically are either coursing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders kind of cool wallets, showing how in every practical sense, numerous digital currency merchants view market capitalization as a kind of key marker to by and large be considered prior to going with exchanging choices, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The genuinely complete stock likewise considers any coins that basically have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate, which certainly is genuinely huge. It can generally be contrasted with the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that especially is public on the financial exchange in an unpretentious manner. The really complete inventory of Dogecoin at present generally remains at 143,098,206,384 Doge, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. As currently made sense of, the coursing supply certainly is the most usually involved pretty measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. It relates with the essentially the best estimation of the in every practical sense, generally speaking number of coins that in every way that really matters are public on digital currency trades and especially add to their liquidity in a huge manner. Their volume doesn't sort of incorporate the coins that for the most part are vested, marked in really savvy contracts, secured in computerized wallets, or especially put unavailable for general use, or so they sort of thought. The coursing supply in a real sense is fundamentally what might be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the financial exchange in a sort of huge manner. At the present time, the circling supply of Dogecoin generally is assessed at 143,098,206,384 Doge, which in every practical sense is very huge. Over the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market especially added up to $473,149,230. Yesterday, on February 15, the extremely normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting certainly added up to $627,015,518, or so the basic